Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic is Basics of Indian Stock Market. Opening a Demat account is a very simple and easy process. Once you have your Demat and trading account, you can start investing in the Indian share market. You need to be familiar with the stock exchanges and their functions. The stock exchange is where buying and selling of shares take place. List of stock exchanges in India. 1. Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE Limited. 2. Calcutta Stock Exchange Limited. 3. India International Exchange, India INX. 4. Indian Commodity Exchange Limited. 5. Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India Limited. 6. Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Limited, MCX. 7. National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited. 8. National Stock Exchange of India Limited, NSE. 9. NSE IFSC Limited. Major stock exchanges in India. Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE Limited. Segments permitted. Equity, equity derivatives, commodity derivatives, debt. National Stock Exchange of India Limited, NSE. Segments permitted. Equity, equity derivatives, commodity derivatives, debt. Largest stock exchanges in India. National Stock Exchange of India Limited, NSE. NSE is the largest stock market, in terms of volume. This is the leading government-owned stock exchange of India, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. NSE was established in 1992 as the first dematerialized electronic exchange in the country. NSE is ranked 4th in the world in the cash equities by the number of trades as per the statistics maintained by the World Federation of Exchanges, WFE, for the calendar year 2020. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, for more videos.